This is mathematics chapter 3 matrix revision we are doing. So we have seen a few examples, types of matrices, how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply the matrix also we have seen. Now few some little examples. Listen, like this also they will be asking, guys, like this also they will be asking. Okay, Raja, listen. Like this also they will be asking. So they'll ask to find x value, y value, or solve, Like that also simply they will be given. Now how you have to do now? Take the variable multiple inside. So that 2x, 4x plus minus 2y, 7y, and 10 and 12. Whatever we have that you write. Now like a matrix addition this is. Matrix addition order must be same. So here 2 row 1 column. Here also 2 row 1 column. So order same. So surely you can add then. So 2x minus 2y and 4x plus 7y. I added. Again 2 row 1 column. And this also 2 row 1 column. Matrix equal na corresponding elements are equal. Matrix equal means what pa? Corresponding elements equal, then 2x 2y is equal to 10. Like that 4x plus 7y is equal to 12. So question number 1, question number 2. Equation 1, equation 2. Now you have to apply what? Elimination method to solve this. What, my dear? Elimination method you have to solve. What variable easily you can cancel? X or y bar?
X.
X. So here 4x is there, here 2x. If you multiply by 2, it will cancel. So 1 you have to multiply by 2. So 4x, 4y, 4 into 10, 40. And 2 you write as it is. I am not multiplying anything. 4x, 7y equal to 12. So opposite sign if you are given now, this will cancel. Both are negative now, minus 11y is equal to, when you subtract, what I am getting? 28. Am I right? 28 when you subtract. So 11 is equal to minus 28 divided, y is equal to minus 28 by 11. Like that you will be getting. If you substitute this in one of this, you will be getting the x value also. This is way to do such type of a question they will be asking in the 2 mark or a 3 mark. Okay, this is one type. Next. See, in the same second chapter also, 2x plus 3y is equal to one matrix they will give instead of constant. 7, 0, 1, 2. Okay, one more equation. And what is that? X plus or minus we will use. Okay, 3x minus y is equal to 2, 3, 0, 4. Like this. Okay, this is 2 type. They will ask to solve. Okay, like this also they will be asking. Like this also they will be asking how you will be doing. See, only constant is the matrix. Remaining normal variable only. That you will take one equation 1, equation 2. What is easy to cancel? You see the x variable or y variable? Y variable easy to cancel. See, here 3 is there, here 1 is there. So if you multiply this by 3 now, easily you can cancel the y. So 1 as it is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, 0, 1 and 2. And 2 you multiply by 3, then what I am getting? 3 3s are 9x, 3 into y 3y, 3 if you multiply inside 3 2s are 6, 9, 0, 12. Okay. Now we have to give don't want to give opposite sign. We are adding. When you add itself, this is cancel. Just see, plus minus directly will cancel. Don't want to change the sign. If we change the sign, it never cancel. Don't forget. So when we are adding now, don't want to change the sign. So now here it will be 11x, and this you add 7, 0, 1 and 2. Matrix addition, normal matrix addition. How? Like that you have to do. Okay, right. And here we have 11x is equal to matrix addition 7 plus first element with the first element, 7 plus 6. Second element, 0 plus 9. Okay, like that. And next row 1 plus 0. So just adding. Okay, Just adding. Then what I am getting, this is 13, 1 and 9, 14. And here we have 11 exa. Multiple 11 when you send opposite 1 by 11. You can stop here. Or if you want to multiply, scalar multiply, you can do with each. Also okay. But if you stop also, they will accept. Okay. If you want to find y na, you can substitute the x in 1 or 2, or like elimination, with help of elimination also you can find y. That is our wish. Okay. Either substitute or use elimination. This is also one of the way they will be asking in the third chapter. Okay. Next is square, cube and all they will be asking. Any question they will give like a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0. Some a will be given. Some 2 by 2 matrix a will be given. This question also they will be asking. Sometimes cubic matrix also they will be asking. Cube and 3a square plus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0 or something they will be given. 0 only. So like that cubic matrix also they will be asking. In the cubic matrix, not only square matrix, even 3 by 3 matrix also will be coming. 3 by 3 matrix also will be coming. These things will be coming 3 mark or 5 mark. Okay, right. Third chapter na next symmetric and skew symmetric we can move. That is one of the important topic. So first what is symmetric we'll see. Raja, symmetric in the sense what? Symmetric matrix. Listen carefully. That is very simple in the symmetric. So you have to take a transpose before goes to symmetric. You should learn transpose matrix. So transpose na, suppose A is equal to I have A, B, C, D is the matrix na. Transpose in the sense interchanging rows and column. Row you have to write a column. This is row 1 I have written as column 1. Row 2 you have to write as a column 2. That's it. So this is called transpose. Transpose na interchanging rows and columns. Either row you change into column or column you change into row, both are the same meaning only. So symmetric matrix na A transpose equal to A. When you apply transpose for A, you will get the same question. Okay. Example you see A is equal to, you take that what is that 1, not 1, 7, 3, here 8, this you take. Now you apply transpose for this, what I am getting? Transpose you apply, this row I am going to write as a column, 7, 3, yeah. Okay. And row 2 I am going to write as a column, so 3, 8. Now see again what actually this is, same matrix. So that if you get same, see A transpose when I apply, if I get same A na, the A matrix is called a symmetric matrix. Who is the symmetric? A matrix is a symmetric. Have you understand who is the symmetric part? A matrix is a symmetric. Okay. Now skew symmetric. What my dear? Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric na, when you apply transpose, you will get minus A. What my dear? Minus A you will be getting. Example. So that A is equal to 7, 3, minus 3, 8. This is my A matrix. Now, when you apply A transpose, what I am getting? Row 1, I am going to write as a column 1. 7, 3. Okay. Just a minute. Here we need a minus A. Wait ma, then you take here 0 better. Okay, 0 only better. So what is that? 0 and 3. Okay, row 1 I am writing as a column 1. Row 2 you take, write as a column 2. So what I am getting? Minus 3 and 0. Now you see, is that A? Is that A? Is that A? No. If you take minus outside, what I am getting? If you take minus outside, what I am getting? The 0 will, see, whatever you have inside, it will be opposite sign. Okay? It means what? Meaning 0 will be 0, plus 3 will become, minus will become plus 3, plus 3 will become minus 3, minus 0. If you take the negative inside, you will be getting the previous. Okay? Now what is that? Minus, now it is look like a. Now you see, so A, when I take transpose, I got as a minus A. So A transpose when you take, if you get minus A, it's called a skew symmetric. This is way to check, listen, this is way to check symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix. Suppose they given a matrix, some matrix are given. Like listen, they given a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is not a skew symmetric or symmetric. Am I right? Am I right? If you take transpose, you will not get A. If you take transpose, you will not get minus A. Such question they will be given. Now they will ask to find a symmetric matrix. They will ask to find a symmetric. So how you will be finding symmetric matrix? The formula is what? P is equal to A plus A transpose into 1 by 2. So P is the what actually here? Symmetric matrix. Okay, this is formula to find a symmetric matrix. Okay, like that. Skew symmetric what? Very important. Skew symmetric what? You have to subtract and multiply the half. Okay, then Q is equal to half into A minus A dash. What, my dear? A minus A dash. Okay, this is what actually skew symmetric matrix. Now, very important point I'm going to say now. Listen, if you add P plus Q, listen, if you add this P plus Q, what you will be getting? The A you will be getting. What you will be getting? The A. Sometimes they will ask to check also. Check sum of symmetric skew symmetric is a matrix, is a given matrix. Also they will be asking sum of symmetric skew symmetric is a given matrix. Like that also they will be asking. That time what you have to do? A is equal to half the A plus A A dash, half the A minus A dash is equal to A. This is one important formula. Also they will ask to check. Sum of symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix is a given matrix. Is a given matrix. Also they will be asking. They will be asking in the 3 mark. Okay, luck is there na. Sometime 5 mark also will be coming. So 2 marks. 2 mark you cannot expect it. 3 mark or 5 mark. Very important in the third chapter. Okay, anything we are missing in the third chapter? Anything else? The area of triangle that will be the fourth chapter. Anything else? That's it, I'm right. So this is the thing you want to see in the third chapter as an important topic. I'm giving a time to practice with people. You have to complete. Whatever you have a doubt in the textbook question, you should ask. Okay. Few things is there. Little important question. Also you have to see, and we'll see little things in the what is that from MTG also. Like previous year question. Shall we see the previous year question? We'll see. What are they asked in the previous year question? We'll see. Little important there actually. Sometimes children, sometimes they will be given like this type of question also they will be given. Okay, so A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, or else you take something else. 7, 8, 9. This is given. And they will ask to check this. They will ask to check this. They will ask this type of question they have in the textbook. Am I right? So first you want to find what actually A transpose. What is A transpose? Row we have tried as a column. Row we have tried as a column. Like that you find B transpose also. Then column will become what? Row. So 7, 8, 9. This 2 points very important. In this question, if you find this for this half you will be getting. So 1 mark you will be getting very easily. Just transpose if you do, you will be getting half of mark. Very easy topic, easily you can score. And left hand side, AB whole transpose is there. First I am going to find AB, then I am going to apply transpose. Most of the people doing mistake in this question. Listen carefully. A matrix what now? 1, 2, 3. And B matrix what now? 7, 8, and 9. First, matrix product is it exist? Matrix product is it exist? That you check. So what is A order? 1 row, 3 column. So 1 row, 3 column. What is B? 3 row, 1 column. So that 3 by 1. Have you seen that? Same. Same means what? You will be getting 1 by 1. 1 by 1 element you will be. 1 by 1 means what? One number. What you will be getting? one number you will be getting. What, my dear? One number you are going to get as your answer. Shall we do this? Right, fine. Now you see, children, how to product this. See, one row with the column. That is, we have to product. One row with a column, each number should be, what will happen? Add. What will happen? Add. So now see, first element with the first element. 1 7s are. Next element, same row, when you go same column, we should put plus. Second element with the second. 2 into 8 plus. Now 3 into 9. 3 into 9. Have you seen what I have done? So 1 7s are 7, 2 8s are 16. 3 9s are 27. When you add everything, what I'm getting? 27, 16, 0, 7, 14, 20, and 5 Raja. Am I right? So 50, that is 1 by 1. 50 is a matrix with the row order. What is coming? 50, right? Okay, so 1 by 1. So this is what actually our AB matrix. Now AB transpose, if you do, what you will be getting? Same 50, 1 by 1. 1 by 1, what you will change? 1 by 1, what you will change? Same 50. Okay, so this is my answer number 1. Same thing you want to do for this. Is it equal or not? Okay, maybe they'll ask to check, verify. They'll ask to verify, or they'll ask to check. Something they will be given here. Okay, now we have a B transpose. We have a B transpose and A transpose. B transpose 7, 8, 9 and 1, 2, 3. Now you check the order. What is this? 1 row, 3 column. Here 3 row, 1 column. Same 1 by 3, 3 by 1, that is same. So again 1 by 1 only you will be getting. Am I right? Again, what is that then? 7 1s are 7, 8 2s are 16, 9 3s are 27. When you add, you will be getting 50. Now this is 1 by 1, answer number 2. From 1 and 2, left hand side equal right hand side. So this is equal. Okay. So this is one way. Listen carefully. This is one way. This is little easily we got it. Suppose A matrix something else like A matrix is a column matrix. Suppose A is equal to, we have a column 1 2 3, okay, and B matrix like a row matrix 7 8 9. Now AB's exist, you check. This is what 3 row 1 column and 1 row 3 column. So that order you check first 3 by 1 and 1 by 3. See, this is same. Now what I'm getting? 3 by 3. How you will be getting? 3 by 3. See, just I have changed first matrix in the previous page. I have taken a row, row wise, and second one column wise. Now, first one column wise, second one row. What I am getting the answer? 3 by 3 matrix I am getting, not element. In the previous I got element 1 by 1. 1 by 1 a single number, single term we got. But in this we got 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so how to product this 3 by 3 now? That is very important. So that here also maybe AB whole transpose equal to B transpose, A transpose, they asked to verify. In the left hand side, first I am finding AB, then we will go for transpose. Okay, so AB 1, 2, 3 and 7, 8, 9. So what is the rule to multiply this row with the column? I have in one row I have one element. One row you should take, we should product with each column. Am I right? In one row, how many elements are there? Only one element. Then take the 1, multiply with one number. Now row is over, column is over. Am I right? No plus. Very important, no plus. People will do mistake, will give plus. That is the problem. No plus here. Why no plus? In the row, no element is there. In the column also, no element is there. If element is there, we should give plus. No element, then you should not give plus. Understand? Then I am going to what? Next, this is column 1, column 2, column 3. Column 1 over. I am going to column 2. 1 into 8. 1 into 8. Column 2 is over. I am going to column 3. Then leave a place. 1 into 9. Have you understand what I am doing here? Have you understand? Now take row 2, same manner. Take row 2, multiply with each column. Now 2 into 7. 2 into 7. Column 1 over. Row 2 is over. Take same row 2, multiply with the column 2. Then 2 into 8. Then 2 into 9. Have you understand? Same manner. What I'm going? Huh? What I'm going? Last row I'm going. Row 3. This one. 3. Take 3, multiply with each. 3 into 7. 3 into 8 and 3 into 9. See, I'm getting 3 by 3 matrix. If you simplify now, 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 1 8s are 8. Okay, like that here 16, here 56, and here 9, 18, 27. See that I'm getting 3 by 3 matrix. Same, sorry, still not it over. This is AB. AB transpose na what pa? We have to write the row 1 as a column 1. So 7, 8, 9. Row 2 I will be writing column 2. So 14, 16, 18. And row 3 I will be writing as column 3. Means 21, 56, 27. This is my answer number 1. Same thing you should get for what, Paraja? Huh? So this is 3. Then 24. Sorry, pa. Then here 24. Okay, so same answer you want to get for right hand side, which means B transpose A transpose. So here itself you find what is A transpose. Column matrix will become what? Row matrix. And here also you find B transpose. Row matrix will become column matrix. Am I right? This you take, apply there. So what I am getting? B transpose na 7, 8, 9 and A transpose 1, 2, 3. Now B transpose order what na? What order? 3 row, 1 column. So that 3 by 1. Like that A transpose order what? 1 row, 3 column. So 1 by 3 A transpose. So 1 1 is same na? Your answer will be what? 3 by 3. So your answer must be 3 by 3. This you people try. I'm giving work for you. You want to bring this answer number 1 answer. Have you understand? Maximum I gave from 3rd chapter whatever the important topic. You people try. Okay. Thank you, Daraja. We'll meet in the next video with the 4th chapter. Bye.